Today's video is about starting a business in Nigeria and in any other African country in the world. I'm going to be talking about how to start a profitable business in this video. So if you like content like this, please subscribe and keep watching to the end. The first business we're talking about today is starting a fan page business. Fan page business means that you have to be ready to work with a brand. That means you have to pick a celebrity to work with, not in the aspect of the person being in the know. Of course, if you want that, the celebrity will give you consent and you guys can have an agreement. Without that, people actually create fan page business and they do not even involve the celebrity. All they need to do is to post the celebrity's pictures, the celebrity's videos and activities by the celebrity. Most times the celebrities do not even know how far these people have to go to get details in order to make their page active. So some celebrities may decide to post once a week, twice a week, or even once a month. But as a fan page business, you must post every day because you want to engage your audience. So you have to post the best activities of that celebrity, putting the celebrity in good light and all of that. That is hard work. However, it is profitable. People who love certain celebrities will always follow them. Most people want to follow pages like this because it is engaging. So because of the fan base, because of the followership, these pages get lots of advertisement deals. So people come to them, please advertise my product. Brands come to them. And even those celebrities may get to recognize them eventually. And aside from that, the platforms in which they are using, the social media platforms, also pay them for these activities. Another one is the exportation of dried foods. So whether you are in Nigeria or any other African country in the world, you have good chance to export dry food products. Let's take, for instance, snail. You can have a snail farm, or you can buy from any other village that you know they sell at lower price or in larger quantity, and then you bring it down to your state, wheel it to your state, buy a dehydrator so that at home you can dehydrate these snails and then export it. We have two kinds of exportation, the major exportation and mini exportation. So the one you see most people do is mini exportation. The major exportation is not for the broke. It's not for the I don't have much. No. It is for those who have the money to go into it because it involves lots of documentation, and documentation takes money. So in reality, it is mini exportation most people do, and they just call it exportation in general. We know the countries that have easy cargo access. Countries like UK, US, Canada, Australia, you send to those countries, package them for export purposes. If you want me to make a video on how to get customers for your mini exportation, drop that comment in the section below. Then the next is a Faceless YouTube channel like the one I'm having right now. Guys, you can start a YouTube channel without showing your face if that is what you want. In this modern age of AI, you don't want to be the one to snooze. If you snooze, you lose, because this particular business makes lots of money. We have some channels on 500,000 subscribers and they are faceless channels. As long as you have valuable content to share with people, people will watch. If you want to start a faceless YouTube channel, drop a comment in the section below to tell me, Funke, please make a video on how to create AI avatar for your YouTube channel. That being said, that is how to make money online in Nigeria or Africa. Next business is building equipment or building materials. Most people are not interested in this business, but it's highly lucrative. If you're thinking of how to make money in Nigeria, that is one of the business you should think about. And I'm sure it goes for other African countries, but then you need to go for training in order to start this business. So if you're looking for how to choose a business to start, hair thrifting business is one of the easiest businesses to start in our economy. Some people cannot afford to buy new hairs, hence they go for thrifted hairs, second-hand hairs. You can get these hairs in major markets like Oshodi, Lagos Island, supermarkets. However, I do not know where to get it in bulk. If you need me to make research on where to get thrifted hairs in bulk, drop that in the comment section below, then I can start getting to that. But if you're thinking of which online business is best to start, next is our side business ideas 2024, the snacks vending business. In this case, we are talking about you renting a space, getting umbrella, getting a show glass, and getting a seat Let's take Ikeja for an instance. You rent a space at the junction of Allen. You rent another space at the junction of Awolo, another space on the bridge at Oregon Junction, Alausa Junction, Okpebi Junction. Now, these spaces, you're going to put people there. You are going to employ people, salespeople to work for you. Then you're going to also get someone who produces these snacks in bulk, and you're going to have your orders every day. So each order you make will depend on how fast selling that junction is. If, for instance, this junction can sell 50, you give them 50. If this junction can sell 100, you give them 100. And then you don't have to be with the business. Those whom you have employed will be the ones selling for you. That means you can do your 9 to 5 job or even have another business entirely, and then you still be cashing out. As long as you can do your account. If I give you 50 egg rolls, you must give me the value of 50 egg rolls. If I give you 20 meat pie, you must give me the value of 20 meat pie, and like that. So this business is so easy. Now is the time for you to make money from snacks. If you love these business ideas or you are able to pick anything from this video, please drop value in the comment section below. That is how to support my channel, and I will really appreciate you. And if you are stumbling upon this channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. I'll be seeing you in my next video.